Okay. Y'all walk further. We all there yet? Okay. Okay. All right. Comparing decimals. If they give you a picture model, all these have picture models, right? Or a pictorial model. The first thing that you should do is what? Label them. Label them, right? Okay. So let's label this first one right here. Somebody who wants to tell me what this first box is? What is that, Caleb? 0.8. Okay. Who wants to tell me what this one is? The second one. What's that, Troy?
Wait, 0.03.
0.03. Okay. And the last one, Kason, is
0.07.
Seven. Okay. Now the most crucial step, right? To make these all look the same, I want them to have the same number of places behind the decimal. What do I mean by that? How many places are behind the decimal on the first one?
One.
Just one, right? But on the second one, I have 2 places. So how can I make this one also have 2 places behind the decimal right here? Add a 0. Okay? Now they all look like money, right?
Yeah.
It's best if you think of it like money. The first one's 80 cents. This one's 3 cents. This is 57 cents, right?
Yeah.
Now it's easier for me to put it in order if I think of it that way. My symbols right here are showing me greatest to least or least to greatest?
Greatest to least.
Greatest to least, because we're always going to have Pac-Man eat the largest number, right?
Yeah.
So what's the greatest amount up here? 80 cents, 3 cents, 57 cents. Caleb? 0.8. So first is 0.8. What's next?
0.3.
This is greater. This 3 cents. 0.57. And last, 0.03. Right? Okay. Now this is really easy to see when they shade in a model for you, right? Because I can see that this one, 0.8 is filled in the most, right? Okay. Then here on the other side, they just have it going in the opposite direction. They want it least to greatest again, which would be what? Which one of these is the least?
0.03.
0.03. Then
0.57.
0.57. And last, 0.8 or 80. Okay. Can I erase?
Yes. No.
Not yet? Yes.
I'm confused.
Which
Do
one?
we write the same? Oh no, it's different.
Yeah, this one right here, they're going greatest to least. This one, they're going least to greatest. See, the symbols are facing the opposite direction. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and. Are you ready, Jacob?
No.
Okay. You good? Yep. Okay. This one right here. So first thing we need to do is what?
Label.
Label these, right? Label these. Who can tell me what is the first amount? Gracie, what's this amount right here? Where's the decimal on that? 0.29. Okay. How much is this one, Ava?
0.8.
9? 0.9? What is this one, Hagen? 7.3. Okay. And what is this one right here, Caleb? 0.4. Okay. Now what do I do?
Line them up from least to greatest on the first one and on the second.
Wait. Before that. What did I say was the most important step? Add some zeros so that they all have 2 places behind the decimal, right? So I make them all look good. So 9 needs another one, so it's really 90, right? And 4 needs one, so it's 40. Okay? Does that change the value of the decimals?
No.
No, it's still the same amount,
Yeah.
right? Now I'm gonna think of it like money. Okay? I got 29 cents, 90 cents, 73 cents, and 40 cents. Okay? Now, the first setup right here, where should the biggest one go? In the first space or the last space?
First.
First, because I want it to eat the largest number. So what is the largest decimal amount up here, Troy?
0.90.
0.90. So I'm going to put 0.90 because these spaces are small. What would be next, Kason?
It would be 0.73.
Yes, 73. And then what next, Andrew?
0.
So I'm just going to put 0.4. Okay, so that last will be 0.29, right?
Yep.
This right here is just doing it in the opposite direction with the greatest one at the end, right? So 0.9, 0.73, 0.4, 0.29. Okay, I want y'all to do the last one on your own. Okay. Let's just start with labeling the last one first. Label the last one, and then we'll all put them in order together.
Do you do this part?
You can if you're waiting. Okay, so Amelia, can you tell me what the first one is? The first decimal? 0.04. Okay, Chloe. Zoe, what's this one?
0.74.
0.74. And right here, Jacob?
0.3.
0.30. You already added the 0. Good job.
Yeah.
And this one right here, Madison? 0.15. Okay? Now here, the first setup, I want the largest one first, right?
Yep.
So the largest one is
0.74.
0.74. Second is
0.30.
0.3. Then
0.15.
0.15, 15 cents, and then 0.04.
Can we do the next one right now?
The next, you mean in the other opposite order?
Yeah.
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 When you're ready, we're gonna go on to the next page and do it without a picture. Okay? Okay? Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So first thing, if you don't have a picture, they say line up the decimal points. That's step one. What do they mean by that?
And me and line them up together.
They mean stick the decimal point on top of each other, right? So you are basically like when you're adding, if I'm adding say 23 and 7, do I line it up like that?
No.
No, because I would be adding this 7 1s to these 2 10s. That's not the way to do that, right? I need the place values stacked on top of each other. So if I line up the decimal, this is all tenths and this is all hundredths, and it makes it way easier for you to compare them. Okay? So just like when you're adding, I need to line up the decimal place. Okay? So here they've taken all those numbers and they lined up the decimal place. Next, step 2, they say add zeros. We already did that, right?
Yeah.
We've done that on the last page. So here they added a 0 to 0.8. They added 1 to 0.3 to make them all have the same number of places. Now, compare the numbers. And they did that. So right here, they're going 0.9, 0.28, 0.3, 0.67, 0.8. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this one right here. What's the first thing you should do?
You should
Out
line them
zero.
up.
Line them up. Step 2 is that. Step 1, line up the decimal points, right? So here, first one, I'm going to take 0.7, right? You should be writing this down. Next, 0.05, 0.32, 0.5, 0.35.
Add zeros.
That's step 2, add the zeros, right? So which ones need a 0?
5 and 7.
There it is. Now, we're going least to greatest. So it's easiest to me if I think about money. 70 cents, 5 cents, 32 cents, 50 cents, 35. What's the smallest?
32 cents.
Nope.
No. 5. Oh.
5. 5 cents. So first one is 0.05, comma. So 1. Now, Trip, who we got?
0.32.
0.32.
And then 0.35.
0.30.
And then 0.50.
Mm-hmm.
And then 0.7. I got a trick. Say not least.
Mm-hmm.
You can switch around without greatest least.
By going backwards? Yeah. Okay. Do y'all want to do the last one on your own?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Hold on. It's right here.
Can I erase this one?
Yes.
Yes.
We're doing this one right here, right? No, right here. You're gonna line them up first. Come on, Melody.
Kids, they only have one number, so it looks like money.
0,
You know, put them in order. First half.
0.
Oh, whoa. Now, let's find these two under here. Do you do that? No. There you go. Now erase this box because it goes in basement.
Done.
When you have completed, you can check your answers with mine.